Some things can't be changed. Nature, that ancient force against which man is forever warred to change, can seldom be stopped. There's an evil beyond all understanding. An ancient force that cannot be contained, resisted, directed, harnessed, coaxed, or bribed. This beast stalks the earth, only at night, feeding on men, women, children, hopes, and dreams. This creature cannot be changed. This creature is Terror-Dactyl. But terror isn't the only unsavory thing that comes out at night. This very evening, unbeknownst to their parents, a band of teenagers have gathered secretly in the woods.
Take it off.
No, I don't want to.
Take it off or I'll take it off for you.
You wouldn't.
Did you know that Peter Jackson, director of the Lord of the Rings series, had a brief cameo of himself in all 3 movies? Very subtle.
I'd stop that apple from ever falling on Isaac Newton. Then gravity would have never been invented.
What would you do if you could go back in time?
Wait, I'm confused. Do you mean time is in spices or time is in watches?
Speaking of spices, hand me some of that food.
Yo, man, try some of this.
This is good. It's the most delicious thing I've ever eaten. What is this?
It's peanut butter.
Peanut butter? Peanut butter? I'm allergic to peanut butter!
Oh my god, you guys, what if somebody finds out?
What was that?
I smell blood.
Who are you?
Brandy Ramona Lemon, advisor.
Oh, what do you advise?
Tonight, I advise how to live.
Wait, what do you mean by how to live?
Never look it in the eyes. Don't go out at night. And remember, when the lights go out, terror flies.
Sir, it is night.
Holy sweet m***a. We're all dead.
Sir, how come you didn't know it was night?
Because I'm blind.
Wait, how could that be?
Ever since I was a boy, I've always wondered, when I die, will I be able to see the light at the end of the tunnel? I guess tonight, I'll know for sure. I'd give anything to make the first thing I see the last thing I see.
Aw, that's so sad.
When I was a young boy, some of my friends led me into a tunnel. I was so sure I was dying. They thought it was funny. I'll tell you what's funny. I killed every last one of them. And that's how I met my wife.
Aw.
She's dead now.
That's terrible. What happened?
I left her for dead when the Terror-Dactyl attacked.
Terror-Dactyl? It's an old wives' tale.
You wouldn't be saying that if you knew how real he was.
No, I guess I wouldn't be.
Wait, Terror-Dactyl killed your wife?
And child. That is, if the fall didn't kill him.
Is everything okay, honey?
Remember that part of our vows that says, till death do us part?
Yeah, I guess.
That's today. Sorry, dear. I need time to escape.
Dad, what's wrong?
You are. The only way we can hope to live till morning is weapons.
But where?
My neighbor was a conspiracy theorist. We'll raid his garage.
Let's go!
Blonde the Terror-Dactyl's run! Oh, my I can see again. Oh, there goes my last kidney. And that's when I learned, no kidney stones. Who would have known that death could be so beautiful?
Oh man, my mom's gonna kill me.
Let's go.
Dude, this is freaking awesome. High five.
Come on, man.
I wonder if there's a return policy. Is there a return policy?
Is there a return policy? Really?
We have to stick together.
And the sun came up, and Terror fled. And then he saw his friends was dead. A man once said, understanding the nature of change changes the nature. That man is dead. Death is a force of nature that cannot be stopped, no matter how hard you try. No matter how hard you try, you can't resist death. You can't resist the terror.